Hey beautiful, today we're going to do something different. Usually I will post a very short video on our wigs. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. It's super cool. Now today we're going to rejuvenate this closure wig that our customer sent us. This looked like a 4x4 14-inch. It doesn't look like too much work. This is the construction. It looks good. He took out the elastic band, which is usually needed for a closure wig. It's not too much work, but I will show you how I turned this wig into. Anywho, let's get started. Got lace glue on it. It got a few black spots, and you can tell right here the hair's over bleached, the knots are over bleached, so I will have to fix that. First I'll spray some water, then I'll take conditioner. You can use any creamy conditioner. Penetrate the conditioner inside lace. Then you're gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes. All you need to do is take a toothbrush and brush the lace like this so the glue can come off. As I was telling you guys, the customer over bleached her knot. It's yellow, so I'm just going to tone it with purple shampoo. Here I have some Shimmer Light shampoo. It's good for toning blonde hair, brassy hair. If you haven't already, subscribe and comment below if you like these type of videos. Whoa, oh my gosh, it's lovely. I've put purple shampoo on the lace and I had to put some more in the back so it can take, but this area have taken a while. It doesn't look over bleached. It looks good. This is what the wig is looking like right now. The parting is nice and defined. I worked on overly bleached knots. It's looking very nice. When she installed this wig, it's gonna look natural. Our customer is local. I will just deliver the wig to her tomorrow in person. In the morning, I will show you the end result. And that's it. All right, see you tomorrow.